Alright, this needs to be repaired again because we're going to cut this off down here. It's leaking right here at that fitting. So, you can see. Go ahead and pop this off there and use it. These are about 15 bucks a piece. Okay, you're going to put this on first, and then this on. First, what you want to do is rough it up with sandpaper. Get all the junk off so it gets a good seal. Okay, got that on there now. I'm going to wait about 15 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and Teflon both of those fittings there and there while I wait. So when I put this on there, I want to make sure I use some countertorque with 2 wrenches so I'm not yarding on the non-threaded connection on there.